What you're gonna need is an oil drain can with a funnel. You're gonna need some gloves and a pad to sit on so you don't hurt yourself on the concrete. As well as the oil 5W30 synthetic fully, and the can and oil filter to replace. You're also gonna want to need something to lift your car at the front. We got some wheel ramps right here. So the first thing you're gonna do is pop this hood. You find it under here.
I'm doing both of my cars, right?
So you want to make sure the car is warm so the oil will drain out faster. Okay, so this is the bolt that
Full drain pan bolt lift is gonna fall like right where you're handed.
Why are you breathing like that?
Because we tried not to get oil on ourselves. Oh shit. Huh? There's a place for the plug there. See? So close.
Okay, so that's the oil filter right there, the dirty one. And we just wait until this drains out completely.
Preparing the new filter. So opening it. Nice and clean. What you want to do is you want to lubricate the O-ring and then the inner threads so it doesn't stick when you take off the oil filter for the next oil change.
Do you have to lubricate it with oil?
Yes. You're already using it anyway, so you might as well just
Use it anyway.
This is the right way.
You just unscrewing that. Is oil supposed to leak out of there?
Mm-hmm.
Just make sure you go the right way because you don't want to go the wrong way. If you go the wrong way, it won't be right. It'll be wrong.
I don't even remember the last time I put down oil change.
So what do you do with that oil that's in there?
It's in here, so you recycle it. You go to your local auto parts store, and then they'll gladly take it for you. I usually go to Advance. And then this car takes full 5 quarts.
After you finish putting in the oil, you're gonna twist this hat back on.
So when you're finished with everything, you just turn it on. Make sure there's no oil pressure light coming on your dash, and you're good to go. It's gone. Good.
Yay.